A spoon. So what can make me feel better with a spoon? A spoon, right. And now we have a bowl. So what could Blue think I need to feel better with a spoon and a bowl? What do you think I need to feel better? Our clues are a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables. So what could Blue think I need to feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Do you think maybe Blue wants me to do the vegetable dance with a spoon and a bowl? Really? No. What could make me feel better with a spoon, a bowl, and vegetables? Well, you can eat out of the bowl and with a spoon and add the vegetables and make vegetable soup. That's it. Blue thinks I need Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper's famous vegetable soup to feel better.